So we are now we will look at the forms. Saha. So these are the words. These are the instruments. You have these in Prathama Vibhakti, and this is the Kriya Padam. So you have the words. So Saha Chashakaha Pibati. Saha. So this is the instrument to drink. So Chashakena. So what will you use? Chashakena or Chashakena? Anybody? Anybody will answer this question?
Chashakena.
Why?
Because it is Sha has come.
Sha is one. So Sha, and here it is
It
covered.
is ending with A. It is ending with swer.
So Chashakena.
Chashakena.
Then Chamasena. There is no Rusha. Chamasena. Saha Hastena Pibati. Saha Patrena. Patrena Pibati. Saha Parnena Pibati. Acha, these are just the words. So Parnena Pibati, there are people who drink from the leaf also. So Saha Chashakena Pibati, Chamasena Pibati, Hastena Pibati, Patrena Pibati, Parnena Pibati. So these are all the Prathama Ekavachanam, and you are changing it to Tritiya Ekavachanam. You can also use Sha, Eshaha, Kaha. These are the Prathama Vibhakti Sarvanama Shabdaha. And Kaha is used to ask the question. Kaha Chashakena Pibati, Kaha Chamasena Pibati, Kaha Hastena Pibati, Kaha Patrena Pibati, Kaha Parnena Pibati, like that. Parnena will be na only because of the na coming in between. Parnena Pibati. So these are all the Tritiya Vibhakti forms. Now you have the Strilinga Padam. Dvichakrika, Petika, Mapika, Lekhani, Darvi. You have the Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Dvichakrika, Petika, Mapika. And Ikaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta Shabdaha. Lekhani, Darvi. Saha Dvichakrikaya Gacchati. Saha Kaya Gacchati. Dvichakrikaya Gacchati. Saha पेटिका आनयति. सः कया आनयति? पेटिकया आनयति. पेटिका पेटिकया. एषः मापिका मापयति. Now this has to be made to Tiya. मापिका मापिकया. एषः मापिकया मापयति. कः कः Lekhani likhati. Now Lekhani is the instrument which has to be made to Tritiya. So Kaha Lekhanya likhati. Now this is Dirgha Ikaranta Shabda. So this will become Lekhanya. It will become half. Lekhanya. Na halant and ya. So Lekhanya likhati. Kaha Darvya dadati. Darvi darvya. So you have Akaranta Shabdaha. Dvichakrika Dvichakrikaya, Petika Petikaya, Mapika Mapikaya, Lekhani Lekhanya, Darvi Darvya. Again all instruments for Tritiya. Now you have Avyaya Shabda. Saha, you have all these Tritiya Vibhakti Shabda. Adhyapakaha, Sahodaraha, Adhyapika, Sahodari, Mitram. You have the first two are the Pullinga Shabda, then there is the Akaranta Strilinga, Ikaranta Striling, then you have the Napunsakalinga. So, one of you, Jayanti Bhagini, you can complete this for me. Saha.
Madam. Saha Adhyapakena Saha Gacchati. Saha Sahodarya Saha Gacchati.
No, 1 minute.
Sahodarena
Saha. Sahodari.
Okay, Sahodari. Saha Adhyapikaya Saha Gacchati. Saha Sahodarya Saha Gacchati. Saha Mitrena Saha Gacchati.
Uttamam. Sahodarena got natvam because of the ra, and there is nothing which is coming in between ra and na. So sahodarena. Mitra, again ra, nothing came between mitra and na. So mitrena. So adhyapakah adhyapakena sah. Sahodarah sahodarena sah. Adhyapika adhyapikaya sah. Sahodari sahodarya sah. Mitram mitrena sah. As you all know, Napunsakalinga Shabdaha and Pullinga Shabdaha from Tritiya Vibhakti is all same. So there is no worry about remembering the forms for Napunsaka. Now you have the Asmad, Yusmad and Bhavan, Bhavat Shabda. Balaha. I want
Maya.
one person to say this. Anybody?
Aham vadami.
Vadatu, Bhavan Vadatu.
Balakaha.
Mama saha.
Others, please put on mute.
Mahyam saha.
No. Others be on mute. Only the person who first started will say it. Others be on mute. Mahyam is wrong, by the way. Mahyam is Chaturthi.
Balakaha mama saha gacchati.
No. Aham is Prathama.
Mhm.
The Tritiya is Maya.
Maya saha.
Mama is Shashti. Mahyam is Chaturthi.
Oh,
So
okay.
Maya saha.
Maya saha.
Yeah. So now Tvam.
Bala tvam becomes I know only bhavan bhavatah sah bhavati sah gacchati bhavatya sah gacchati.
Yeah. Bhavan is
Bhavan bhavat bhavan
Bhavata.
bhavata sah gacchati.
Aham is Maya.
Maya.
Tvam is Tvaya.
Tvaya.
Bhavan is Bhavata. And Bhavati is Bhavatya.
Bhavatya. Okay. Thank you.
Please do not worry about the forms. The forms, the Kanthasthi Karanam will happen when you do the Abhyasa.
Yes.
What is important here is why and when you should apply these forms. That is more important. So when you know that before the word Saha, I have to apply the Tritiya Vibhakti, that is half the job done. Then you do the Abhyasa and learn these forms. But you have to know that Saha Yoge Tritiya. That is what is very important. So Balaha Maya saha gacchati, Balaha Tvaya saha gacchati, Balaha Bhavata saha gacchati, Balaha Bhavatya saha gacchati. So these are the forms for. Now, anybody for this? For these Sarvanama Shabda and Prashnarthaka Shabda? Anybody? Balaha.
Tena saha gacchati.
Yes, absolutely. Tena saha gacchati. Now, what is this tat? Tat is Napunsakaling. So, what will be the form for tat, Tritiya?
Tena.
Very good. Because Pullinga and Napunsakalingam, the forms are same. So, Balakah Tena saha gacchati for saha, Balakah Tena saha gacchati for tat as well. Next one will be?
Etena, eshaha etena saha gacchati.
And etat will be?
Etena.
Uttam. So, Balakah etena saha gacchati. For etat, Balaka etena saha gacchati. Next.
Balakah kaha kena saha gacchati. With who he is going?
Yes, Balakah kena saha gacchati. For kim it will be?
Kena.
Absolutely. Uttamam, bahu uttamam.
Dhanyavad.
Now somebody else will do this. This is the Strilinga Shabda. Who will do it? One person. Mamta Bhagini asti va? Bal. So I'll do it.
Aham badami.
One of you. The person who first said it will do it.
Balah taya saha gacchati.
Radha Bhagini va?
Ha.
Namo
namah.
Vadatu.
Balah taya saha gacchati. Balah etaya saha gacchati. बालः कया गच्छति कया सह गच्छति
Yeah. So balah sa is becomes taya, esha becomes etaya, ka becomes kaya. Balah taya sah gacchati, balah etaya sah gacchati, balah kaya sah gacchati. Bahu uttamam bhagini. Wait, don't leave. One second. Can you just read out these forms for me, Bhagini?
तृतीया विभक्तिः चालकेन चालकाभ्यां चालकैः सेवकेन सेवकाभ्यां सेवकैः गायकेन गायकाभ्यां गायकैः नायकेन नायकाभ्यां नायकैः मित्रेण मित्राभ्यां मित्रैः.
So, Paryaptam Bhagini. So you see this.
धन्यवाद.
All these have ended at na except the mitrena. And that is because of this ra here. Mitrena. Now somebody else will do the reading of the Strilinga forms. Who will do it?
अहं वदामि.
वदतु.
तृतीया विभक्तिः बालिकया चालिकाभ्यां चालिकाभ्यः चालिकया चालिकाभ्यां चालिकाभ्यः सेविकया सेविकाभ्यां सेविकाभ्यः गायिकया गायिकाभ्यां गायिकाभ्यः नायिकया नायिकाभ्यां नायिकाभ्यः बालिकया बालिकाभ्यां बालिकाभ्यः.
उत्तमं.
धन्यवादः.
चालिका चालिकया. Chalika, chalike, chalikaha are the prathama vibhakti forms. So chalikaya, chalikabhyam, chalikabhyah. Sevika, sevikaya. Gayika, gayikaya. Naika, naikaya. Balika, balikaya. These are all the, and these are the dvivachanam and bahuvachanam forms. I'm sorry, I think there is a mistake here. It is chalikaya, chalikabhyam, chalikabhihi, because chalikabhyah, sevikabhyah, gayikabhyah, all that are chaturthi and panchami forms. So there is a tankana dosham here, Prasad Mahoday. It is chalikabhihi, sevikabhihi, gayikabhihi, naikabhihi and balikabhihi.
Kramita.
See. These are the Ikaranta Shabda. Somebody will do the reading of the Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Anybody?
Aham karami.
Karo.
Tritiya vibhakti. Lekanya, lekanibhyam, lekanibhyam, lekanibhi. What is that, ma'am?
Ankanya.
Ankanya, ankanibhyam, ankanibhi. Dronya, dronibhyam, dronibhi. Gonya, gonibhyam, gonibhi. There is no bihi, ma'am. Gonibhi.
Bihi. Tankana dosham asti.
Okay. Gonibhi. Venya, venibhyam, venibhi.
So what are the pratipadikams here, Bhagini? In the first word, what is the pratipadikam of lekanya?
I don't know, ma'am, how to tell.
Pratipadikam is a root word. So lekhani.
Lekhani.
Yeah. Lekhani, ankani, droni, goni, veni, all are dirgha ikaranta shabda. So lekhani, lekhani bhyam. See, here just add the word bhyam. Lekhanya, the na goes, e goes and add the ya is added. Then here ibihi. So lekhani, lekhanya, lekhani bhyam, lekhani bihi. Here the lekhani is retained in the dvitiya and dvivachanam and bahuvachanam. So lekhanya, lekhani bhyam, lekhani bihi. So all these are the pratipadikams. Lekhani, ankani, droni, goni, veni. Paryaptam.
Gonika.
Yeah.
Gonika asti.
Goni is goni. The sack.
Okay.
Okay, somebody will do the. Arey, Panchami kidhar aa gaya? Somebody will do this for aham, tvam and bhavan bhavat. Somebody will do this. Tritiya vibhakti forms. I'll just take 5 more minutes of your time, please. Yeah. Who will do
अहं
this?
वदामि
Vadatu Bhagini.
अहं
Girija Bhagini va.
मया मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः भवदा भवद्भ्यां भवद्भिः भवत्या भवदीभ्यां भवदीभ्यः
No, it is Bhavati Bihi.
भवदीभिः
Atra Tankana Dosham Asti. So Aham becomes Maya, Tvam becomes Tvaya, Bhavan becomes Bhavata, and Bhavati becomes Bhavatya. Maya Avabhyam Asmabhihi, Tvaya Yuvabhyam Yushmabhihi, Bhavata Bhavadbhyam Bhavadbihi, and Bhavatya Bhavatibhyam Bhavatibhihi. And you, Girija Bhagini, you continue this also.
तेन ताभ्यां
अहं वदामि वा?
तैः
ओके आं गिरिजा
Girija Bhagini, continue karotu.
ओके तेन ताभ्यां तैः एतेन एताभ्याम् एतैः केन काभ्यां कैः.
Okay, now tell me the Pratipadikam Bhagini of Tena, Etena, and Kena.
एषः
It will come for
Tena is Tad Shabd. So Tad is the
Tad.
Pratipadikam.
तत् शब्द
Etena,
सः एषः सः एषः कः.
Eshaha is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So the Pratipadikam here is the root word, which is Etad. It is Dakaranta Sarvanam Shabd. So Tad and Etad, and Kena is Makaranta Shabda, and it is Kim Shabda. So Kena.
सः एषः किम्. ओके
But Pratipadikam is Tad, Etad, and Kim.
हाँ तद् एतद् and किम्. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the Strilinga forms. Continue, Bhagini. Strilinga forms.
तया तृतीय विभक्तिः तया ताभ्यां ताभिः एतया एताभ्याम् एताभिः कया काभ्यां काभिः.
Now, can you tell me the Pratipadikam of Taya?
There is also tad shabda only, but
Correct.
Strilinga.
Correct. Exactly.
And
This is also Etad.
Kaya etya tad shabda. Kaya is ka. That.
Makaranta Kim Shabda. Correct. Absolutely. Bahu Uttamam. Yeah. So we are done with the forms. So I have just past 5 minutes. So we have done with everything. Now, if there is any doubts, you may please ask me. We have done with the Tritiya Vibhakti right now. Any doubt? Or we end the class here? Okay, so I assume there are no doubts. So we will end the class here. Prasad Mahoday, can I end the class now?
भगिन्यः कक्ष एव भगिन्यः निर्णयमेव करोतु.
अस्तु, इदानीं एंड करोमि with the ekatmata mantra. यं वैदिका मन्त्रदृशः पुराणाः इन्द्रं यमं मातरिश्वानमाहुः वेदान्तिनो निर्वचनीयमेकं यं ब्रह्मशब्देन विनिर्दिशन्ति शैवायमीशं शिव इत्यवोचन् यं वैष्णवा विष्णुरिति स्तुवन्ति बुद्धस्तथा हर्निति बौद्धजैना सत्श्रीयकालेति च सेकसन्ता शास्तेति केचित् कतिचित् कुमारः स्वामीति मातेति पितेति भक्त्या यं प्रार्थयन्ते जगदीशितारं स एक एव प्रभुरद्वितीयः स एक एव प्रभुरद्वितीयः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः।